All right, hello. So today, I will be introducing our Black History Month project. Okay, so my name is Miss Di, as you all already know, and let's go ahead and get started looking at what our project encompasses. Okay, so here on the screen, you see our first sheet that's within our project packet, and it's titled Influential Black Americans. Let's learn about Black history. Okay, so here at the top, you should see your student's name or your name, and here you should see the person that you are assigned to complete. Okay, so for example, if I am researching about George Washington Carver or even Barack Obama, their name will be listed here. Okay, if I scroll down, I'll see this little prompt right here. Okay, and it's just basically telling a parent that we need your help to help your student complete this project. And over here, we have several different links that I'm going to show you in a few seconds that you can use in order to look up your person. So here I see this assignment is due, and on your packet, it says February 28th. So your assignment or your project is due on February 28th, okay? And that is on a Monday. And on that Monday, we are going to be doing presentations of our projects, and I'm going to show you what that rubric looks like in a second, okay? So here on number 1, you're going to answer the question, when were they born? Okay, so you're going to tell me when is your person that you are researching, when is their birthday? So for example, if I am researching Barack Obama, I'm going to put Barack Obama's birthday here on number 1. Number 2, where were they born? Okay, so you're going to tell me their hometown or their birthplace. Where was this person born? Where were they born? Okay, where are they from? Are they from New York? Are they from Hawaii? And I believe Barack Obama is actually from Hawaii. Okay, so for example, you will place Hawaii on number 2. Okay, number 3, what are they known for? You're going to tell me on number 3, what is this person known for? What is this person significant for? What have they done for the community? What have they done for our country? All right, so here is number 4. Number 4 is asking, what is one interesting fact you learned about them that you would like to share with the class? So for number 4, you're just going to put any interesting facts that this person has about them that you find on the internet, okay, or within a book, a newspaper article, or what other resources that you use. For number 5, I have draw or paste a picture of them in the box below. If you choose to draw a picture, please add lots of details and color it. Use an actual picture from the internet or a book to help you. So you can draw a picture of your person or you can paste a picture in the box below. If you do not have a printer, then I would like for you to draw a picture of them the best that you can. And then in this box right here, you're going to actually write their name out, okay? So right here, you're going to draw a picture of your person. And then here, you're going to write a name, write their name, okay? So let's travel to the next page of the packet, okay? So here, you're going to see your banner, okay? Here I have Barack Obama. This is my influential Black American that I am presenting, okay? So here on the side, I have a picture of him. And then I have several questions here that I need to fill in. So the first one says Barack Obama was born on blank, okay? So whoever your person is, your person's name is going to be right here, and it's going to ask you when were they born. So it's very important that you complete that research page, because when it's time for you to write, you have to transfer their information over to your banner. Here it says he was born in, so you're going to tell me where he was born, okay? Not the day. You're going to tell me the place he was born, okay? He or she. And then here at the bottom, it says he is known for blank, okay? So this is where you're going to get started writing your chunk of your person's research, okay? So here, this is where you're going to get started. And let me show you the other page where you're going to finish your writing. Okay, this page here is also attached in your packet. So if you don't have enough space to put all the information about your person, here is the next page in your packet where you can complete and finish the rest of your writing. Ms. Di does not expect you to finish this whole page. However, I do expect you to write more than one paragraph. I need to know all about your person. You can't tell me about the life of your person with only one paragraph, okay? So please try to aim for either 3 or 4 or more paragraphs about your person. Because look, check this out. If you look at your presentation rubric, when it's time for you to present on February 28th, because that's when your project is due, you have a list of requirements that you have to hit. So let's look at the first column. Okay, the first row is time limit. Okay, to make 20 points in that area, your presentation has to be 5 minutes long. So when you come into the class that day and you have your packet and it's all filled out, do you think you'll be able to present 5 minutes long if you only had one paragraph about your person? No, okay? So that's why Ms. Di said you need multiple paragraphs, okay? In order to get a 15 on time limit, your presentation should be 4 minutes long. If you want 10 points, which is good, it should be 3 minutes long. But let's look at okay. Okay, to earn 5 points for a presentation, the time limit, it says presentation is 3 minutes long or way over 5 minutes. So if your presentation is 3 minutes long or less, or it's longer than 5 minutes, you're going to earn 5 points. And I know we're not going to do that. We're all going to aim for a 20-point excellent score. Okay, so the next one is content. Okay, let's look at what's going to earn us 20 points. And it says student is very knowledgeable of the person they have researched. Okay, so that means when you get up here, you're ready to present, you have all your information. You're not just reading from your paper. You're telling us all the different facts and information about your person. Let's look at 15. Student is knowledgeable of the person they have researched. Okay, so you're not very knowledgeable, but you have a quite bit of information that tells me all about your person. Okay, 10 points would say student is somewhat knowledgeable of the person they have researched, and then 5 points, student is not knowledgeable of the person that they researched. So I'm pretty sure no one is going to get a 5 because we're all going to do our excellent job on our project. Let's look at preparedness. Student is completely prepared and has obviously rehearsed. So what does that mean, Ms. Di? That means when you are at home and you're working with your parent or your sister, your brother, or your cousin, whoever you are working with, I want you to rehearse your project, okay? So when you come into class on that Monday on February 28th, you are prepared and you are ready to rock and roll so you can get that 20-point score, okay? So I want you to rehearse. I don't want you to get up here and just reading from the paper and you don't know what you're going to say. I want you to rehearse so you can have a clean, great presentation. So number 15 or score 15 says student seems pretty prepared but might have needed a couple of rehearsals. So you're going to get score 15 points if it looks like you really didn't rehearse. You probably rehearsed like once or twice, but I really want you to get in habit of preparing yourself for your presentation. So 10 points is student is somewhat prepared, but it is clear rehearsal is lacking. So maybe you rehearsed only one time, and you really didn't finish the rehearsal. You just tried and then you stopped, okay? And then 5 points is student does not seem at all prepared to present. So that means you come up here, you don't have your things together, you don't know what you're going to say, you're just sitting and staring at the audience. That's what's going to give you a 5-point score, but I'm sure Ms. Di is not going to have anyone who has 5 points in that area. Okay, and our next one is enthusiasm, okay? So this is your facial expressions or your body language that you have when you coming up here to present. Okay, so I want to see happy faces. I want you to be excited and prepared to give their presentation. So when you get up here, your body is not slumped like this. You have a smile on your face. You're ready, you're happy, and I can see that. Okay, so let's look at what 20 points would get you. It says facial expressions and body language generate a strong interest and enthusiasm about the person you research. So you're really ready and you're really excited to share the information that you found for your person. Okay, 15 points is facial expressions and body language sometimes generate a strong interest and enthusiasm about the person you research. Let's see, 10 points is facial expressions and body language are used to generate enthusiasm about the person you research, and very little facial expression or body language did not generate much interest in the person that you research. So I'm sure we're not going to get 5 points in that area either. And let's look at the last row. Okay, speaks clearly. Ms. Dye says all the time, can you speak up? Can I hear you? Okay, when your presentation, when it's time for you to present your project, I want you to speak loud and clear so everyone in the room can hear you, so everyone can learn about the magnificent person that you researched, okay? So this is just telling you that you need to speak loud and clearly and try not to mispronounce any words, okay? So this is another way Ms. Dye would know that you have actually rehearsed your project, okay? And down here I have your name, what score you have, and any notes that I need to jot down, okay? But before I end this video, I want to show you the links that was included on this page here. Hold on, let me go to that page for you. Okay, it looks like it doesn't want to go there. But here are the links that's on that first page of your packet. This is KidRex. What you will do, you will click the search engine and you will type in your person's name. And then links for you to use with this person's information is here. And you'll do the same thing for the other ones as well. And it just brings up websites where you can use to find research for your person. Okay, so you have another search link here and you have another search box here where you could put in that person's name in order to complete that project. Okay, so here is where you can find those links again that I just clicked on. Okay. All right, so if you have any questions or any concerns, feel free to ask me in class or Class Dojo me, and I'll be happy to assist you. So good luck on your project, and bye-bye.